Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 7th May 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing a 32 point up move at the level of 11,688 levels. US markets is done 66 points down on DowJones and 40 points down on Nasdaq and 13 points down on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets to open in green in today's pre-open and follow it up with green in the open session as well. So let us see what Indian markets has to offer in today's session as support and resistances. The supports of market being there are so many levels of support as of now and so many levels of resistance as of now, because Indian markets shut down a great heck lot yesterday. Look at the market closing. Yesterday's closing was way below the level of 11,672 levels, whereas yesterday's closing was around 11,598 levels. So almost around 100 points shut down in yesterday's session itself. Indian market shed a huge lot in yesterday's session, and let us see what fast stochastic is at. Fast stochastic is at the level of 15, which means that we are in an oversold zone and we will go way higher from here onwards. And slow stochastic is at 41, which is contradictory. However, slow stochastic says we may go upwards or downwards. We are not in the overbought or oversold zone as of now. And MACD is suggesting we are at the level of 75, whereas the exponential at 99, and it shows that we are totally in a negative zone of momentum. We don't have any momentum at all as of now in the markets. So what are the supports and resistances we have to watch out for? The first level of support being 11,572, and the next level of resistance level support is 11,553 levels and 11,524 levels and 11,500 of course, and 11,477 levels and 11,450 levels and 11,430 levels, that is 11,430 to 11,425 and 11,396 to 11,400. If that's also bad, 11,343 will be a huge support for the market as of now. And what are the resistances we have to watch out for in today's session? The first resistance being the level of yesterday's high, that is 11,632 levels, and above that 11,650 and 11,672 levels and 11,678 and 11,700, 11,705 and 11,732 levels, 11,760 levels, 11,800 levels, 11,860 levels are the levels of support and resistances we had to watch in today's session. This is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. You'll be taught 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.